Double-hung windows are a popular choice for Washington homeowners thanks to their classic look, ease of use, and ability to provide excellent ventilation. But like any part of your home, windows don't last forever. Over time, they can lose efficiency, show signs of wear, and stop performing the way they should. Knowing when to replace your double-hung windows helps you maintain comfort, energy savings, and even home value. Here are the key signs it may be time for an upgrade. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. If you feel cool air leaking in during winter or warm air seeping in during summer, your windows may no longer be sealing properly. Drafts are a common sign that the sashes or frames of your double-hung windows have worn out. Impact on comfort. Drafts make certain rooms uncomfortable, no matter how high you set your thermostat. Impact on energy bills. Your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain temperature, leading to higher monthly costs. Modern replacement windows feature tight seals and insulated glass that keep Washington's unpredictable weather outside where it belongs. Difficulty opening or closing the windows. Double-hung windows are designed to slide smoothly up and down. If yours stick, jam, or require force to operate, it's a clear sign of deterioration. Causes: warped frames, broken balance mechanisms, or swelling from Washington's damp climate. Concerns: not only is this frustrating, but it can also create a safety hazard in case you need to use the window as an emergency exit. New double-hung windows glide effortlessly, making them safer and more convenient to use daily. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your windows for signs of physical damage, cracks or chips in the glass. Rotting or warped wooden frames. Peeling paint or persistent moisture damage. In Washington's wet climate, wood rot is especially common, and once it sets in, repairs are often temporary. Replacing damaged windows ensures your home remains structurally sound and visually appealing. Condensation between panes. If you notice fog or condensation forming between the panes of your double-hung windows, the seal has failed. What it means: insulated glass is no longer working properly, allowing moisture to enter. Why it matters: without an airtight seal, your windows lose energy efficiency and clarity. Replacement windows with advanced glass technologies, such as low-E coatings and gas fills, provide better insulation and prevent these issues. Rising energy bills. Are your heating and cooling bills steadily climbing? Old, inefficient windows may be to blame. Double-hung windows that no longer insulate well allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. By replacing your windows, you'll enjoy lower monthly energy costs, a more comfortable and consistent indoor climate, a smaller environmental footprint, noise from outside. If your home is near busy streets, parks, or schools, noise can quickly disrupt your peace. Older double-hung windows with worn seals or single-pane glass do little to block sound. Modern replacements with insulated, multi-pane glass significantly reduce outside noise, making your home quieter and more relaxing. Outdated style and poor curb appeal. Windows are one of the first things people notice about your home. Faded, outdated, or damaged double-hung windows can make your house look older than it is. New replacement windows not only improve performance but also enhance curb appeal and resale value, an important consideration in Washington's competitive housing market. Final thoughts: your double-hung windows play a crucial role in comfort, safety, and energy efficiency. If you notice drafts, difficulty operating them, visible damage, or higher utility bills, it may be time to consider a replacement. For Washington homeowners, upgrading to new double-hung windows means better insulation against the region's varied climate, lower energy costs, and a fresh new look for your home. By recognizing the signs early and investing in professional installation, you'll ensure your home stays comfortable, efficient, and beautiful for years to come.